25-minute video specifically made to entertain housebound hounds. Doggy Adventure is taped from a pooch's perspective.
They're one of the hottest things out is a video now for dogs.
Well, you know, there are those who say entertainment is going to the dogs.
No.
This is a brilliant piece.
Well, it looks like the video age is reaching the pet set. Guilt-ridden pet owners no longer have to just throw a bone to Fido on their way out the door. They can turn on the VCR and let their pooch take a 25-minute romp via the video screen. Says it's the perfect pet stocking stuffer this Christmas.
Said many times that dogs cannot live by bones alone.
They need care, compassion, and home movies?
Home movies? Toodle apparently liked the video. We'll have to get that for our dogs.
Now, the new blockbuster film for dogs. It's about adventure. It's about suspense. It's about time. Fido had a movie made just for him.